guys, it's Molly here, and I train for the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, and it's great to see y'all again. So I am traveling. As you can see, I have very limited space and equipment. So what I'm going to do is do sort of a total body reset. It's going to be just a quick little workout, but nothing crazy. And we're going to hit all, your major stuff. And all you need, no equipment and an optional resistance band. So let's hop right into it. Starting off in a plank. Pushing into the ground. You're going to bring one leg forward, stretch, down, and back. Repeat. Good job, guys. Good job. Hold the plank for one leg. Release your core, then suck it in. Draw up and in towards your belly button. Release. Draw it up and in. And try and hold it. Release. Nice. If you cut now.
I know it seems like I'm the one to lose. I might be crying, but baby, so will you. You tell them stories from one point of view.
Nice job, guys. Good. Now back to all fours. Push to the ground. Core and tight. Into the bear hold. Nice job, guys. Keep that core up and in as much as possible. And then relax. Nice. Quick child's pose. And let's repeat that. Up we go. Hit that. 4. Nice job, guys. Good, now let's tap. 1, 2. Keep going. Tapping the shoulders.
I was looking like a fool when I met you. All covered up in the dirt.
Hold, hold, hold. Good. Tap out here.
By myself when I met you.
Good.
Won't you give me
Good to downward dog.
I've been thinking about
Nice job, guys. Walk it out.
to be honest. I just don't know.
Good job. Walk yourself in. Good. Bend and stretch. Walk it. Good job, cut. Bend and stretch. Walk it. Good. Good job. Now let's come into a cobra position. Good job. Stretch out. Good job, you guys. Good. Nice job. Let's come into a side plank. Keep the body in one line as much as possible. Push the elbow into the ground. Don't let the shoulders sink. And let's come up. Nice. Hold here. Nice, come around. Other side. Good job. Body is one line. And relax. Nice job, you guys. Let's do a little twist here. Loosening up the back. Good. Let's roll your neck around. Other way. Roll it out. Nice job, you guys. Let's head back to the ground. And I want you to use your band if you have it. You know I love a blueprint. We're heading straight into it. The band is optional. You do not need it. So make sure your knees don't fall inward, okay? So push out against the band and tuck that tailbone underneath and then push it to the sky. Roll vertebra by vertebra, back down. Tuck it under, then push, roll. Good job, guys.
We gon' break up, then we make up. Act like we're gonna be friends. Blaze the fire, take me higher.
Tuck it under, push, and hold there. Push out against the band if it's there. If it's not, just think about pushing your knees outward.
Leave it all over again.
Good job, guys. Just hold it. Feel the band.
Leave it all over.
Good job. Now little pulses. 1, 2. Keeping that tailbone tucked under. Good.
Act like we're gonna be friends.
Should feel the burn right here in the glutes.
Take me higher. Leave it all over
Good.
all over again.
Nice. Lift those arms towards the sky. And here's what we're going to do. Scooch those feet in towards you a bit. Squeeze it with them. Let's march. Good. Focusing on stability should be challenging. Trying to keep your glutes up. You're going to have to fight to keep them there, but you're good. You got this, guys. Good. Push back up. Push out against the band. Come up onto your toes. Good job, guys. Push. 2, 3, keep it good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. And relax. Woo! Good job, guys. Glutes on fire. All right, now you can do this with the band or without. We're gonna head into a clamshell on the floor. Here we go. Body in one line. Knees in front of you a bit. Open out and down. Good. Keep the hips stable.
Take me higher. Leave it all over again. All over again. Leave it all over again. All over again.
Let's go around.
Leave it all over again.
Keep it going, you guys. Nice work.
Leave it all over again.
Job. Good job, guys. All right, now we're going to stand up. So we are going to head into a split squat now, Bulgarian split squat. And I'm going to do this band, but you can keep it on to continue to feel the tension. Try to keep your knees from falling in. All right, so try. Yeah, I have enough in here. I'm using this table. Okay, a good hack to get this. You're seated extra bit. That's a solid way to set up. Booty not completely tucked underneath you, but just neutral. We are going to squat down to that front leg and up. Good. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's on wheels. Keep going, guys. Keep going. I didn't know that table wasn't pretty good. That's one. Good. Alright, let me bring that table. And I'm going on to the other side. Trying to stand number on each leg. I might have messed that up, but it's a bit because the baby. Wait for it.
Need no apologies, 'cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me thinking it was just a phase. Like, ooh, got me like,
Get up. Shake it out. Nice work, you guys. All right, let's go back to the ground. Let me adjust this. Okay, cool. We're finishing it out with some upper body, okay? If you have any shoulder issues, feel free to use this band up around just above your forearms, maybe just above the elbow, and you can push out against it when you push up. On your knees or knees up. Either way, the strength of your body in line. Here we go. Good. Keep it up, keep it up. And rest. Good job. Shake it out. We're gonna do one more set. If you can, try and do push-ups with the elbows in. But if it feels better, more stable, have them out wide, I'm okay with that. Okay? I'll show you what those look like next round. Here we go, 10 more. And then we'll switch. Good job, you guys. Let's just stretch it out a bit. I hope you enjoyed this brief reset workout. It's just a great way to get a little bit of movement into a busy day. One foot on top of the other. Reach forward. Other side. And let's do a straddle stretch. Walk your hands down in front of you. And relax as soon as you can. If you're up here, that's totally fine. Wherever you feel a stretch. And walk yourself up. Really nice job, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time. Go Rebels. Woo-hoo. See you next time.